Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist for your product launch planning. A well-planned product launch is crucial for success, and Todoist is an excellent tool to help you stay organized and hit those important milestones. To get started, you need to create a new project in Todoist. Simply click on the plus icon next to the Projects tab and name it after your upcoming product. This helps us because Todoist will keep all the tasks related to your product launch in one spot, making it easier to manage and track progress. Now that we've done that, our next step is to break down your product launch plan into individual tasks. Think about all the steps you need to take, from market research to production, marketing, and distribution. Add each task to your project by clicking the plus at the bottom of your project view. The reason we do this is to ensure no crucial step in your product launch is forgotten or overlooked. Next, we'll set due dates for each task. Click on a task and select the Schedule button to set when it's due. This is vital because it helps you stay on track with your timeline for the product launch. Todoist will send you reminders as each due date approaches, ensuring you never miss a deadline. Now let's talk about prioritizing tasks. On Todoist, you can assign priorities to your tasks. To do this, click on a task and select a priority level from 1 to 4. This helps us because it allows us to focus on the most crucial tasks first, ensuring they get the attention they need for successful execution. Finally, we'll assign tasks to team members. If you're not working alone on this project, you can delegate tasks to your team. Click on a task and select Assign, then choose a team member. This is vital as it ensures everyone knows their responsibilities, leading to a smoother product launch. By now, you've got a comprehensive product launch plan set up on Todoist. Remember to regularly update and check your Todoist project to stay on top of your product launch. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to use Todoist for product launch planning. This tool will help ensure your product launch goes off without a hitch. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.